Welcome back to the Dotstore channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to limit cart quantities in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So, without further ado, let's get started. Imagine the following scenario. On your WooCommerce store, you may only be allowed to purchase a product if you buy at least 2, or you might have a restriction where you can purchase a maximum of 5 products. In this video, you'll learn how to set up these kinds of rules on your WooCommerce store. To do this, first of all, navigate to our website, download or buy the Min-Max Quantity plugin, and install it on your WooCommerce store. After downloading the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. And then go ahead and install and activate the plugin, so navigate to the plugins and add new, install and activate it. Once activated, you'll notice a new Min-Max Quantity menu under the Dotstore plugin in your dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your license key. And then, click on the Settings menu to begin configuring your cart quantity limits. Here, you can configure all cart or checkout-related limitations for your orders. For example, if you want to set a minimum and maximum order quantity for the cart, use this Min-Max Order Quantity section. If you want to enforce minimum and maximum order values, the total monetary value of an order, configure them in the Min-Max Order Values section. And then, to limit how many items of a product customers can purchase, use the Min-Max Order Item field. For this example, I've added values to each section as a demonstration. You can configure these fields based on your business requirements. Additionally, there are other checkout options available. For instance, if you want to exclude specific products from these limitations, you can select those products from the drop-down list. We'll leave this field empty for now. Also, if you'd like to disable the checkout button if any rule isn't met, you can enable this option. After configuring the settings, click the Save Changes button. Based on the limitations you set, users will see a notice on the checkout page if they violate any rules. You can customize these notice messages under this Message tab. Here, you can configure custom messages for each rule type, such as messages related to min-max order quantities, order values, and order items. By default, the plugin provides preset messages, but you can edit them to better suit your needs. Now, let's check how the cart limit we configured works on the front end. First, add some products to the cart. For example, I'll add this one product and then this product in the cart. To view the cart page, click on the View Cart button. On the cart page, you'll notice a polite message displaying the cart limitations. If we ignore the message and click on the Proceed to Checkout button, the system will not allow us to complete the order. We need to return to the cart page and fulfill the order limitations to proceed. As configured, we need at least 2 items for each product in the cart. Let's update the quantity to 2 items for each products. You'll now see a green message indicating that we can complete the checkout. To test the maximum order quantity limitation, let's increase the quantity to a larger number. Since we've set a maximum of 5 items, the system will display a red message if we exceed this limit. After reducing the quantity to meet the limitation, the green message reappears, allowing us to proceed with checkout. Similarly, this also works for order value limitations. For example, as we configure a minimum cart value of $50, removing this one product item will lower the cart total and prompt a message indicating the requirement is not met. To proceed, we'll need to increase the product quantity until the cart value exceeds $50. Isn't it amazing to see how these configurations can be tailored to your requirements? This feature can help maximize your store's revenue and increase the average order value by enforcing minimum and maximum order quantities, values, and item limits. Explore the plugin features and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below about how to use the plugin. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. If you liked it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of new tutorials. Thank you for watching.